What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of 410 Life and Travel. This episode, we got a jack. Not just any jack, we got a sturdy, good off-road jack. No, it's not the Pro Eagle. It is the Badlands. That's right. First purchase ever from Harbor Freight. We're gonna try this Badlands jack. I'm only using it for one thing, which I'll get into in the episode. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new here, do me a favor real quick. Hit that like and subscribe buttons. It does help out the channel. And I appreciate you coming back. If you're not new, let's get into this episode. All right, here it is. It's a pretty beefy looking jack here. It's got the extension there, obviously the off-road wheels. And it has the ASME, industry standards for safety. Hey, listen, we're only using this for one thing. That's to do a little bit of work on the truck and take rims on and off twice a year. So we're not really going to be doing too much off-road other than what we do for work. So this should work out. Let's get into it. Okay, so I guess, you know what? Let me turn this around so you guys can see it. I've already sliced open the tape. So let's get this off. There we go, Badlands. Instructions, they say all the tools are in here that are required. Put that to the side. Got an off-road wheel, front wheels. Oh, it's beefy. Okay, we got the base. Extension, all the various, you see the hardware, tools, nuts, bolts, washers, etc. And oh wow, that's a nice looking jack. The package says it weighs about 80 pounds. Not gonna lie, it feels about 100. But again, this is just gonna be used for at-home stuff, along with getting the height to put rims and tires on twice a year, because I do have winter rims and summer rims. So let's get this out of the box and get it assembled. Left the poles in the box. Put them to the side. Need that right now. All right, instructions. Try to make it so you guys can see all this. Okay. Okay, screw and washer. Easily. Boom. Just like that. Can you see that? So now you need an Allen wrench. Where is the Allen wrench? Let's see here. Were all tools not included? We got this wrench. There's no Allen key. So let's bring these in real quick by hand. And we'll have to go get an Allen key. Be right back. Okay, we got our Allen set here. Let's see which one fits this here. Nope. There we go. Get that tight. Alright, that's not going anywhere. Okay. Unhook the clasp, open the ring, got it. Place straddle extension into storage. Here. All right, so this is pretty self-explanatory. Doesn't, oh, it does, okay, attaching the front wheels. I skipped a step, didn't see it. Went right to the main instructions here, but that's okay. All right, so we're gonna go to the front first, which is up here. Need a washer and a bolt and a wheel. Slide the wheel on, washer, bolt. There you go. Place GPS. Right here. Wheel number 2. Wheel, washer, nut. All right, for the rear. Wheel, washer, nut. All right. Next one. Wheel, washer, nut. All right. It's on there. It's pretty good. Now, I'm just going to assemble the handle, just pretty self-explanatory. There's the top. Got a nice perforated grip on it. Looks like nice solid aluminum. And then of course you got to have the Badlands branded bottom half. Line up, there's a chuck in there. Okay. Looks like there's a shipping block. This little block here. Can I talk to you? There we go. Okay. And that's on. That's tight. Let's install the top part now. And there we have it. Here we go. Let's give you an overview here. It's a nice looking jack. For what I'm doing with it, like I said, it's all I need. Probably a little more than I need, but better to be safe than sorry. I've seen good reviews on it on YouTube, and once I put the rims on here soon, I will let you guys know how it goes and how the jack's working. Make sure you're like and subscribed. Appreciate you watching, guys. Appreciate you watching. There's the Badlands jack again. Thank you for tuning in to another episode. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Ask any questions you want. I answer them all, good or bad. Appreciate you guys' support, and I'll see you in the next episode.